My little baby, Gabriel. He's gonna show Mama some love, right, Gabriel? Hi everyone, how are you? God bless you all. Welcome to the Autism Cooking Channel. My name is Alba and I am an autism mom. And this is Gabriel, my son, which is in the spectrum. Cooking has always been my passion. And he has helped me a lot because 2 years ago we started a diet protocol for Gabriel, which has helped him a lot in his understanding, his speech, and also his behavior. So in this channel, I'll be teaching you or showing you recipes that I make in the daily basis for Gabriel. I cook everything for him. I prepare everything from breakfast to dinner. As we all know, kids in the spectrum, they have a lot of gut issues. And in this channel, I will be showing you all the recipes that I make for him, which are gluten-free. They're also casein and soy-free. So stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see all these delicious recipes that I made for my precious little boy. Subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Gabriel.
Bye.
Bye.